So I'll be creating this for kids to work. So today I'll be creating dinosaurs. So first of all, I'm gonna start with this one. I'm gonna start with this one. Stang Stegosaurus. Now I'll get the other one. I'm thinking maybe to get out of the way and replace it with this one. Sorry guys, the network is a bit slow. So we're gonna change the location to look. You guys can see what I'm doing, right? So I'm trying to change it to be staring at this one. You guys can see what I'm doing. Can bring it down like this. I'll do the same here too. I'll bring it down and to face this one. You guys can see to change the position to look real. So now I will take away this background now. What I will do, I will switch it up here. Now you see it's gone. Then I can add the background effect. So maybe I will go with this one. Yeah, or maybe this one. I think this is better. Okay, now I can get it a little bit closer more. Okay, now I think it looks great. So what I would do is I will go back to the same library. Then I would type grass. Now you see, this is what it actually gave me. So I will click on that. Now I will bring it down. You guys can see. So I'll click that again. I'll bring it down. So you guys can see, right? Now I'm gonna type maybe something like tree. I think this is very easy, like tree. Okay, I'll pick this one now. I can just pick maybe this one or this one, depending on the choice you want. Okay, you can bring it here. So you can probably reduce the size of the tree. Okay, you can see I just did it so that I will actually know where the tree is, whether it's in good position or not. So I'll bring this a bit closer. Then I will do the same. You can see it's not on top. So it is not located in a good, you guys can see it's out. So you guys can see what I'm doing now. Now I just drop it on top of the stuff so that they will be in a good position together. So now it's on top. So guys, I think I just have to keep it here. Then I'll be so I'm gonna add more trees because I don't need to add one, so I need to add more trees. Okay, now I have to reduce this too. So you guys can see this tree doesn't seem to be in a good position. So what I would do now is I would do the same thing that I usually do to each and every one of them. So I would just try to position the tree in a good position. Yeah, I think it's better now. It looks better here. So yeah, I think it looks great. And I will get more trees. Probably this one. Let's use this one. Okay, now I'm gonna get this tree here. So I have to reduce the size. I have to reduce the size of the tree. Okay. Yeah. So look great. So I'll add more trees. Just to make it look much realistic. I'll add more trees. Probably this one. Yeah, the first one I used. I'll add this one. Yeah, it's in good position. So you guys can see now. Um, it's looking much better. So I can maybe push it back a little bit. Yeah. So okay. So this one now, I can bring it a bit more closer. So you guys can see. So now I can maybe just put some grass. I can put like grass on the grass, just different grass, just different grass. Probably I'm gonna put this one grass patch. So I'll just take it and place it here. So you see, you can stretch it as much as you want. Just stretch it and leave it here. And I guess you can stretch it more to this place. Yeah. So now I can add one more of the patch grass, one more of it. So I can add more to it. You can just stretch it a bit again. Stretch here too. So what I will do now is to check whether it's alright. Yeah, you guys can see it is. Looks great. So yeah, you guys can see now it looks great. So it looks perfect now. So I'm gonna try to save this one. It looks pretty much better now. I can try to save it. Wait, maybe I can change. Should I change color? I think yeah, I don't know whether this background is okay. I don't know. Okay, I think this one, I love this one. It looks much realistic, I think. So I'm gonna go for that one. Save as. Okay, you can save as picture or you can save a 3D model. So I just go for video. Now you guys can see what is happening now. So image, I can use wobble, hold, okay, kind of floating, jump, okay. So I will go for this one. I'm gonna go for this one or probably this one. Okay, so I'm gonna save it. I'm saving now. So now I'm saving. Now I'm saving the project. So it doesn't take much time, maybe like 2 minutes or just 1 minute it's saved. Just depend on how fast your laptop is.